why not, right? Let's just have a million plants in my house. Hey guys, my name's Noah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna just share with you guys a few of the things that I have been propagating in my plant collection. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I've been propagating because I've kind of been creating so many plants in my home. I have like 10 of all the same plants at this point, so it's actually been really fun because I've been gifting it to a lot of family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. I just really want to share with you guys all the things I've been propagating because it's been very easy propagations that I've been doing. I haven't been doing difficult ones like begonias or anything like that. I've just been, well, one begonia, but that one's easy. I do want to get into that eventually, but right now I've just been doing a lot of simple ones. I did start off with a bunch of my pothos. I also have a little trick to share with you guys that a few of you have been leaving in my comments to try out, and as soon as I tried it out, this trick worked so great. So I'm very excited to share with you guys what I've been doing in order to speed up my propagations process. With that all being said, let me show you guys what I've been propagating. All right, so the main thing I've been propagating is no surprise if you've been following me on Instagram because I've been posting about this constantly, but my Begonia immaculata has been just shooting out new growth. You wouldn't even know that it's winter right now because she has just been pumping out new leaf after new leaf. All you have to do to propagate this one is just clip it right below a leaf and make sure that every place where a leaf grows out is a node. And so as long as you cut it like just an inch below a node and prop it into water, you wait a month, maybe 2 months, and you've got yourself a new plant. So I do want to share with you guys, this is what it looks like when you propagate it. This is my little jar of water. I actually noticed that for this plant, a smaller jar of water works better than like a big vase because it's such a short cutting, if that makes sense. But let me take one of these out. The propagation looks like these are the roots that have grown on it, and what's really cool, you just clip the leaf, like I said, right below a node, and look, this is a new baby leaf coming out. Can you believe how cute and little that is? So this is just gonna keep pushing out new growth. They're so easy to propagate, and these roots are actually, they could be planted already because they're over 2 inches long, but I do like to wait a little bit longer just to make sure they are fully matured and healthy, and I will share with you guys what it looks like once you plant it. So this is one of my propagations that I clipped this leaf off, and it actually created all these baby leaves right here. Show you guys a close-up. Look at those 2 baby leaves right there. This leaf was brand new, and then this leaf is new. But yeah, this plant is so easy to propagate, and I actually think I have another one. Yes, I do. Just because I've been doing it so much. So here's another one that's a little more mature. I did this one probably a month before this one, so it's a little bit taller, as you could see. So this one will eventually get that tall. I've been propagating that one a lot because it's just so easy, I feel. If you do want a whole video on that, please let me know in the comments down below. I can definitely do that for you because I do plan to take some more clippings soon. But let me share with you guys another one that has been very easy for me. So this is a Peperomia Frost, and this one I actually learned how to propagate accidentally. I had a leaf fall off and I just threw it into water and it grew roots. It's so beautiful how this one grows roots because along with the roots that it grows a ton of new baby growth. So I actually had this leaf fall off recently and I have placed it inside the water with the immaculata. So I don't know if that one's gonna grow roots because it's like a short leaf cutting, or like it fell off. And I do have some more that I have thrown into this jar of water. I don't think any of them have, this one's dead. So every now and then you will have propagations fail, and that's fine. This one looks long, so hopefully this one catches root. But I do have this peperomia, watermelon peperomia, that I've had in here for a while, and it has grown beautiful roots. So it kind of grows like that and has new growth coming out, if you can see that. I really love how the peperomias grow, and I will share with you guys my successful Peperomia Frost propagation. So the one leaf that I had fall off of here that did grow roots was, I believe the first leaf was this big one right here. It grew a ton of new growth already. It's almost as big as the mother plant, and it actually looks a little bit healthier than the mother plant, so it's just doing very, very well. I do have like 3 or 4 more leaves propagating in water right now, so hopefully in a while I will have quite a few of these, and I'm really excited for them to get large. This one's kind of stopped growing, so I think it needs to be fertilized or something. And the leaves are also kind of turning yellow. I don't know if it's doing that well, but this one's very healthy. So that's another reason I love propagating, is because if for some reason the mother plant does die on you, then you have babies that will grow and be just like as big as the mother plant. You aren't losing out on that plant. So the third plant I've been propagating is a very interesting one, because I actually attempted to propagate this one for quite a while and failed many times until I finally learned the right way to do it. And it is a polka dot plant. So I have a white one and I have a pink one, and I've been propagating both, but I'm just gonna share with you guys this one because it's actually come out very beautifully. What happens is it grows really tall, and the way that this plant looks just so beautiful is when it gets full, not necessarily tall. When it gets tall, it gets leggy like this. So this is a tall piece sticking out right here, and what you do is you just clip it. What I was doing when I failed was just propping it into water. I literally waited, I'm not even joking you guys, like 3 or 4 months. It never died in the water, but it never grew any roots, not even showing any sign of roots. And I actually ended up looking online, and people were saying that after they clipped it, they just stuck it in soil. So why did that work instantly? This is the cutting that I just stuck into soil, and look at it. It's already got a ton of new growth. All the ones at the tip are new growth, and it's probably gonna grow very fast because this plant does grow very fast. If you do go to like Home Depot or Lowe's, you will see a polka dot plant for, this would be like $3 to $4, and this one would be like $2. They're very cheap because I think it is so easy to propagate. So I'm really excited for this one to get a little bit taller so I can do some more clippings and get some more propagations, because why not, right? So one of the last things that I've been propagating that's actually been a little bit more difficult for me is my Scindapsus pictus. And for some reason, it does not grow that fast. When it does grow, when I do try to propagate it, the roots grow pretty slowly, I would say. It does take a few months. So that's where my tip and trick comes in for being able to propagate this one faster. Ever since doing this trick, it's been working, I would say, like half the time. So my trick is to place it in a jar of water with another plant that's already propagating and that's propagating faster. The first plant that I did try it with was I threw it in with just a bunch of golden pothos because those propagate so easily for me, but it's been working very well with the Begonia immaculata as well. So I just clipped this like a couple days ago, and it already does have a sign of a root growing. Ooh. So yeah, it's already got, literally it's only been a few days, and it's just got that little white root sticking out, which is beautiful because it would take me like a month to get that before trying that little trick. So if you guys water propagations are struggling, make sure that you throw in a few different plants into one propagation jar at a time, just to help it really focus and encourage each other to grow roots. It's been very helpful. So I know it does look beautiful to just have like one plant coming out of a propagation, but trust me, you'll be so happy when the roots grow fast, when they're all grouped together. So definitely try that, check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if you do try it. I successfully propagated this one. It was just, I think it was a 2-leaf strand, and it ended up growing into this. So yeah, it's just one cutting, but I do plan to add more to make this a more full plant. So yeah, that's what I've been propagating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for new videos twice a week, every single Thursday and Sunday. Also, please follow me on Instagram because I will update you guys on everything that I'm talking about right now. And with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.